Meet the Capture2. The Capture2 is very portable and easy to use. Connect your phone and you're ready to shoot. The Capture2 helps you to capture moments that matter. Record these moments the way you want. Whether you want to record a time-lapse or take a panorama photo, the Capture2 app allows you to do this. Switch to FPV mode to create those amazing shots. Besides phones, the Capture2 also supports action cameras, making it possible to safely shoot in harsher conditions. This ensures you'll be able to shoot smooth footage in every situation. The Capture2 can track your movement, making sure your subject stays within the frame. With a lot of different filters, you can make your photos and videos look even more beautiful. Want to zoom in? Use the zoom wheel to get closer to your subject. You can shoot up to 12 hours with the Capture2, so you don't have to worry about missing your shot. And when it's empty, you can easily recharge the Capture2 and continue shooting the next day. Capture2. Smooth your story.